Hey there, so in this feature demo, we're going to show you how to add a infographic pop-up. So for pre-workout in step one, you can see that we have one included already, where you have a title and a body of text. Now we're going to walk through the steps of adding one for step two because we do not currently have one. Something to notate here is regardless of your bundle type, whether it's build a box, mix and match, whatever format it might be, the steps will be the same for all of our bundles. So we're going to click on View Bundles, and we're going to go ahead and select Edit for Sports Performance. Now, once we're here, we're going to click on the drop down for steps. We're going to select the second step, Intro Workout. And again, as you can see, it's not located on this step. We're going to jump over here to the right-hand column, and we're going to scroll down until we see our tooltip located right here. So first I'm going to type in Learn More. And then I'm going to include a title that says Learn More about our BCAs. Perfect. And then we're going to go ahead and add a body of text that says, make sure you are covering the way you need to for the type of workout. Let's say for the type of training you're doing. Perfect. Okay, and you can see here that it did update in real time. So we have learn more about our BCAs, make sure you are recovering, typo, recovering the way you need to. Perfect, so let's go ahead and save our changes. And now we'll navigate back to the live site. We're gonna refresh the page. And so obviously we're back in step one. If we select step two, you're gonna see the little info icon, learn more about our BCAs, make sure you're recovering the way you need to, and it is really that easy to add a infographic tooltip. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always happy to help. Thank you.